Hey, what is up everyone? Pursuit of Shutter here. Hope you people are doing good, and just in case you are still sticking here, thanks to you. Pretty grateful. I have literally lost track of time. When was the last time I have dropped a video on this channel? But nevertheless, here it is. Just in case you have gone through those flashy TikTok videos or those YouTube travel videos where an object or a text like this follows the movement of how my head is tilting left or right, and have always wondered how this is being done. This video is all about this. So without any further delay, let's play the intro first, and then we will jump straight into Final Cut Pro, which is my choice of video editing software, and I will show you how this is done in just an instance. So what we will start off with is by launching Final Cut Pro. So just to make sure that this tracking thing is available on a Final Cut Pro, we need to check the version of Final Cut Pro should be 10.6 or later. Mine is 10.6.3, so it should be able to do the tracking thing. I will take a more straightforward route of importing. Just drag the video from desktop and straight into the timeline. It's a 4K clip from Munnar in the state of Kerala. It's a beautiful tea estate. So what we will be doing here is, let's just play the clip once and then I will tell you. So it's basically the small jeeps carrying the tourists are moving through the tea estates. So what we will do is we will tag an object or a text straight into the movement of the truck, so that as the truck moves through the tea estate, the object or the text moves along with. Sound pretty straightforward, and it surely is. So let's just do this. I will trim the clip. Jeep is basically disappearing from the frame, and I will select this clip, and since this was shot on log, I will just throw a lookup table on it just to do the basic color correction so that it looks a bit better. It's not mandatory, but just a good little touch. I will pull the custom LUT on the video and will select one of the LUTs that were imported earlier. I will just select any of them and this should look good. So what I will do is now create a title from the title section. I will use a continuous title. I will drag and drop it over the video, and let's just type Munnar where this video was shot. I will go to the text attribute and remove the build in and build out. Pull up the font size a bit up, gets more visible, and I will definitely change the font to somewhat like surfing capital so that it gives it a good quirky kind of vibe. Size, just pull it up a bit, and let's position the text over the jeep here. So all we need to do is tell Final Cut Pro to track a certain contrasty part of the object, which is the jeep here, and tell Final Cut Pro to track its position, its rotation, and everything frame by frame, so that you can link that tracking data to your text, so that text just moves along with. So all we need to do is select the text layer and click on this transformation button, and we will get an option like click on the tracker, click on create new tracker, and a box like this should appear. What I will do is just make it smaller and smaller, and just put it over this part of the jeep. So basically this tracking point works well if there's enough contrast in the subject itself, so that's easier for Final Cut Pro to track it frame by frame, the movement of that particular object point. So we will go and hit the analyze button and just wait till Final Cut Pro finishes analyzing the movement of that tracking point we asked it to track. So that's pretty much it. So let's just play the video once again just to see how Final Cut Pro has performed in this test, and it's pretty much good and consistent. Seems like the text is moving relatively with the tracking points until it disappears. So that's pretty much it. So basically that's it for today. If this video was helpful for you by any means, you can just hit the thumbs up button. That might be helpful for me. And just in case you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you might consider subscribing to this channel. That would be really helpful. And with all this being said, see you in the next video. Take care till then. Bye bye.